Hey guys, it's Vignesh from CodeAndroid. In this video, we'll see some frequently asked question and its answer. How to get the data from service. To get the data from a background service to the UI like activity or fragment, then we need to use broadcast receiver. To get the data, first the activity should register for the receiver. This will make the activity to wait for the broadcast. So, after completing the task, we need to send the data as broadcast from our service. Now, the data will be received at our receiver. Finally, when the activity ends, we need to unregister the receiver. In case we want to start the activity, then we need to add the flag to the intent as flag activity new task. Why we need repository? The main use of repository in MVVM pattern is to create a separation between view and the logic, so that we can do unit tests for the logic. This separation between the view and logic makes sure that UI code won't change the value of the object given by the repository. How to use RecyclerView as carousel. We can create two types of carousel. One item visible carousel like the above one. More than one item can be visible to the user so that user can freely swipe, like the below one. For the first type, we need to use ViewPager as a carousel. For the second type, we can use RecyclerView. But while setting the layout manager, we need to use linear layout manager.horizontal. How to increase or decrease scroll speed in TextView. To change the default speed of the TextView, we need to use custom class. You can see in this activity, the above TextView is scrolling slowly and the below one is scrolling fast, because the below one is created by the custom class. There we can control the speed of the scroll. Displaying HTML content in TextView. If you want to display HTML element, then we can directly set the string as the text for the TextView. In case you want to display the result of the HTML, then we need to use HTML.FromHTML. Inside we need to pass the HTML element and then set it as a text. This will be helpful when we want to display two sizes of text in a same text view. That's all for this tutorial guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.